Nikhil Singh Chauhan, and I am a cadet of Dune Defence Career Point, which is situated at First DL Road, Karanpur. So basically, today I am here for speaking on a topic: sacrifice. What is the basic meaning of sacrifice? How are soldiers, how are Indian officers of Army, Navy, and Air Force sacrifice for us, and how the teachers of Dune Defence Career Point are sacrificed for us. So I'll tell you one thing, basically the meaning of sacrifice through the examples. So first I take the examples of our parents. Like our parents are sacrificed for us, like they are giving us money for our basic needs, like many more, like we have to buy a phone, we have to buy any material for our needs. First, the parents, we should give the respect, because they are sacrificed for us. They do not complete their need, but instead of that, they are giving us full facilities and fully things to do something and to be a good personality in our society. So it is a very good examples of sacrifice. Now I take in another examples, like our soldiers, our officers of India, Indian police, Indian army, they sacrifice for us because our safety from external pressure, external attacks. They provide us safety. Like they are not living with their families, they are not giving, they are not spend time with their family. Instead of spending time with families, they are saving us from enemies. So which are like, a soldier have only vacations of 2 months in a year. So it is a big sacrifice for all of us. Now I talk about like the teachers from all over the India. Teachers are very good because they sacrifice a lot from their personal life because of the students. Like I talk about in my institute, Dune Defence Career Point, teacher names as all the teachers are good, but I explain one by one. Like Saurabh Jha sir, he is a maths faculty. He is very good teacher. Instead, he teaches maths very good, but he teaches maths, but on Saturdays and on weekends he teaches us GK instead of teaching maths, because they are taking initiative, a good initiative to the students, that their student learn more and they have a good personality in a society. Now I talk about another sir named Manoj Fulara sir. He is a very good teacher. Like he teaches chemistry 11th and 12th. So when he teaches chemistry, like chemistry is the toughest subject for all the students. It is very complicated, it has many theory. So he teaches as a friend, as you have friend. So if you are studying with a friend, he is also like a friend. So it is a big sacrifice, because all the teachers are very strict, all the teachers are very rude to their students, because they have to build a student very good. But it is also a type of sacrifice that he is very frank with us, he is very good at teaching. Now I talk about it is all about the staff member, and I talk about the staff member. Like our warden sir, Mr. Anup Joshi sir, he is also very good personality, and he helps me and helps other students, and they motivates all the students very good, and they encourage each and every student that you have to perform good in your test, you have to prepare for entrance for each and every exam, that you are only built for armed forces. That is what it is very good sacrifice for us. And when the on a festival, he do not go at their respectively their home because of us, and he celebrates Diwali with us. Thank you and have a nice day.